Hi, this is needlepointers.com, and today I'm going to show you how I made this paper boat. What you'll need is construction paper, scissors, and tape. First, you fold one corner over to align to the edge. Then cut down the line that you've made. Now we have a square. Keep it folded. Then fold up the bottom and you have your boat. That's simple, but if you want it to actually have an inside, unfold it completely and cut down this line. Until you find the point where two folds. Refold and tape. I tape the back of the boat. Along with the front of it. And you're done. If you're interested in seeing more photos or to get the step-by-step instructions for this project, please click the iCard or the link in the description of this video to visit our website, needlepointers.com. Visit our website to find lots of other paper folding projects and tutorials.